Hey everyone, Sean here with Slash Gear. Today we are proud to share with you the unboxing of the Samsung Omnia by Verizon Wireless. Let's go ahead and open it up. Well, there it is. Let's go ahead and open it up for you. It's got a 3.2-inch screen. One thing that we particularly like about this is the optical mouse pad they have right here. It's actually a button and you can just scroll with it. Let's see what else we have in the box. Got tips, hints, and shortcuts. Looks like your setup software. Here is the stylus. It's actually kind of weird. Pops out like this. It's got like a really fine tip on it. And it actually doesn't go inside your device. It actually clips on the side with this lanyard string. You also have the proprietary Samsung charger, USB data cable. This is a extension for the headset. It's got your volume control, mute button, and also we have the Samsung proprietary headset jack with a 3.5mm headset, and it looks like you can also use the data or the a Samsung standard headset with it. That's all we have for today. Thank you for watching this unboxing with us. Check back in 2 or 3 days for the full review.